Want to wake up with radiant, glowing, glass-like skin? This secret Korean rice cream is going viral for a reason. It's not just a cream, it's a skin transformation in a jar. Say goodbye to dullness, dark spots, and dry skin. And hello to flawless, bright, and youthful skin, all naturally at home. Stay till the end, because I'll also show you how to apply it perfectly and get the best results. I'm showing you a simple Korean DIY rice cream that can seriously transform your skin. Get ready for a natural glow-up that targets dullness and unlocks that coveted glassy finish. Let's get started. Why Korean rice cream is a game changer. Rice has been a staple in Korean skincare for centuries. It's rich in antioxidants, minerals, and skin-brightening nutrients. It improves skin texture, removes tan, fades pigmentation, and gives that famous glass skin glow. And when you mix it with these powerful ingredients I'm about to show you, the result is magic. This DIY cream is gentle, effective, and suitable for all skin types. It's your one-stop solution for anti-aging and glowing skin, naturally and affordably. Let's get started. All right, let's get our hands a little crafty and create this magical rice cream. First things first, we need our star ingredient, rice. We'll start with 4 tablespoons of uncooked, good quality rice. Rice hydrates your skin, brightens it naturally, and helps fight pigmentation and fine lines. Now, the very first step is crucial. We need to wash this rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Why this meticulous washing? It's not just about cleanliness. This process removes excess surface starch, which can sometimes lead to a sticky texture. We want the pure essence and the beneficial components within the rice. Now, pour in 1 cup of fresh, clean water over our washed rice. Place this on the stove over medium heat and bring it to a gentle boil. Remember to stir occasionally. This helps the rice cook evenly and release its goodness into the water. Watch as the water transforms into a milky white. This is liquid gold for your skin. We're going to carefully extract about 4 tablespoons of this precious rice water starch from the boiling pot and transfer it to a clean, separate small bowl. This, my friends, is a powerhouse. This rice water starch is brimming with vitamins, amino acids, and ferulic acid, a super antioxidant that brightens, fights premature aging, and calms inflammation. It's a key to that even, luminous tone we're after. Set this aside carefully. Once the rice is fully cooked and beautifully softened, you should be able to easily mash it. Go ahead and turn off the heat. Let it cool down completely. We need it to be cool enough to handle comfortably. Our rice has cooled, and now for the magic of transformation. Carefully transfer the cooled cooked rice into your blender. We're aiming for an ultra-smooth, luxurious paste. The finer the texture here, the more elegant and effective our final cream will be. Now, let's enrich this base with other skin-loving wonders. First, we'll add 2 tablespoons of fresh organic raw milk. Raw milk is a game changer. Its lactic acid gently exfoliates, dissolving dead skin cells to reveal brighter, fresher skin underneath. It also deeply moisturizes and soothes, contributing significantly to that smooth, calm canvas essential for glass skin. Let's blend this in thoroughly. Next, our star sidekick, the reserved rice water starch. Let's incorporate that goodness. As we discussed, this starchy elixir is packed with brightening agents, anti-aging antioxidants, and soothing properties. It works synergistically with the rice cream to even out skin tone and create that coveted luminosity. To deeply nourish and impart that healthy, supple glow, we'll add half a teaspoon of pure, unrefined coconut oil. Coconut oil is brimming with fatty acids that deeply moisturize, creating that incredibly smooth and soft texture we associate with glass skin. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties also help maintain a clear complexion. For a touch of hydration, balance, and a delicate, uplifting scent, let's add 1 teaspoon of pure, high-quality rose water. Rose water acts as a natural toner, helping to balance your skin's pH. It's also a fantastic humectant, drawing moisture in, which is key for that dewy, plump glass skin look. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties keep the skin calm and happy. For a touch of natural sweetness and its powerful humectant and antibacterial benefits, let's incorporate half a teaspoon of pure natural honey. Honey is a moisture magnet, drawing hydration to the skin and keeping it plump and dewy, essential for that glass-like effect. Its natural antibacterial properties also contribute to a clear and healthy glow. Finally, to supercharge our cream with antioxidant power and further nourish, we'll add a few drops of pure vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that shields your skin from environmental damage, a major culprit in dullness and aging. It also deeply moisturizes and promotes skin repair, contributing to that smooth, healthy, and youthful glass skin appearance. And there you have it. Our potent Korean secret rice cream is complete. It looks incredibly luxurious and feels so nourishing. A true treat for your skin. Now, for the crucial part, how to apply this magic and what transformative results can you expect? Cleanse your face before bed. Take a cream and gently massage it onto your skin in upward strokes. Leave it 30 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. Use it daily at night for the best results. Store the cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It stays fresh for up to 7 to 10 days. With consistent daily use, prepare to witness a visible and significant improvement in your skin's overall appearance. The rice and its starch will work to gently and effectively fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and that stubborn dullness. The lactic acid from the milk will delicately exfoliate, revealing a brighter, smoother, and more even skin tone. The synergistic action of coconut oil and honey will deeply hydrate and plump your skin. Visible glow from day one. Skin feels soft, smooth, and nourished. Wrinkles, dark spots, and tanning gradually reduce. Over 7 to 10 days, you'll notice brighter, firmer, and even-toned skin. So, are you ready to unlock the ancient Korean secret to radiant, glass-like skin? This simple DIY rice cream is a game-changer, and I'm genuinely excited for you to experience its transformative power. Tell me in the comments below if you're going to try this recipe, and please share your results. If you love this DIY, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty secrets. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to naturally radiant skin. Remember, true beauty comes from embracing simple, effective solutions. Go ahead, try this rice cream, and watch your skin transform. Stay glowing inside and out.